Good day everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to study as we continue the cellular respiration video or series. Now we will now study the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Now this happens after na glycolysis, no? And this is my only opinion, no, in this process that sometimes nakakaligtaan natin na i-topic ito kasi nga very simple lang siya, but this is a very beautiful reaction. So we can really understand as to how pyruvate becomes into acetyl CoA, converted into acetyl CoA. So we have this overview first of the mitochondria. So we have mitochondria as a double membrane bound organ kasi nga it is produced or it is composed of a double membrane. It has an inner membrane and an outer membrane, and also it has the matrix and the cristae. So right after we produce pyruvate, no, with the assist of oxygen, it will now diffuse inside the mitochondria. And if walang oxygen, ibang process na yon, that is now that is now a different process. It is lactic acid fermentation na kasi we ferment or we produce lactic acid in the process. So but here let's consider that there is an oxygen present and si pyruvate nag-diffuse na inside the mitochondria. Now in this we have now this reaction right here. So accredits to Dr. G. Banu Prakash animated medical video. No? Check out his medical video tutorial on biochemistry. It is very good and awesome. Dito ko siya na-learn. No? To be honest with you, nahirapan talaga ako dito na process kasi my organic chemistry knowledge is not that good. No, I'm still reviewing back my organic chemistry with notes. No, and I'm not that very good in identifying molecules, but here masyadong clear kasi name lang yung nila. So I hope that when you look at the Campbell biochemistry, this is very clear to you na. So let's discuss this all together. So firstly, let's have the enzyme. So we have the enzyme, three enzymes actually. We have pyruvate dehydrogenase, dihydrolipoyl transacetylase, and dihydrolipoyl hydrogenase. So ito po ang tatlong enzyme na meron sa process, no, during this reaction. And it is also composed of different coenzymes, no. TTP, no, this is thiamine pyrophosphase, o other term name niya is vitamin B1. So we also have oxidized version of lipomide, no, oxidized. We also have a CoA enzyme or CoA, this molecule right here, what's also known as vitamin B1. We also have FAD, which also other name is vitamin B2, and we also have NAD+, known as vitamin B3. Those are the coenzymes. Yung nakapula is coenzymes po yan sila, including lipomide, and yung blue na naka-circle are the enzymes. So let's start our discussion. So firstly, we have pyruvate molecules. No, with the help of this coenzyme thiamine phosphate and pyruvate dehydrogenase, no, it is the pyruvate will be decarboxylized. Decarboxylize ang tawag nito, no, ma-decarboxylize pyruvate kasi we remove carbon dioxide in the process. Now, and pyrophosphate will also be catalyzed in this reaction. With that, it is now being is transformed into hydroxyethyl TTP or hydroxyethyl thiamine pyrophosphate. And with that, the dihydrolipoyl transacetylase will catalyze this compound to form acetyl lipomide. No, with this is catalyzed by this enzyme to produce acetyl lipomide, and acetyl lipomide will be there is a transfer of acetyl group to the CoA enzyme. So the acetyl group will be transferred into this coenzyme to produce acetyl CoA, no? And right after this one, no, lipomide, the lipomide molecule will be in the form of lipomide reduce. Then after which the lipomide reduced form, it is now in the reduced form, dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase will transform lipomide reduce into its oxidized formation. Okay? And in the process, we produce FADH2. And FADH2 will react at some point to produce NADH in the process, no, which is be later on be transferred into the ETC. So yun siya. Again, let's run back kasi I think I was being, it was very not clear, no? Again, we have pyruvate dehydrogenase, no? Decarboxylize pyruvate to form hydroxyethyl TTP. And hydroxyethyl TTP is being catalyzed by dihydrolipoyl transacetylase to form acetyl lipomide. And in the process, we produce this, no? Acetyl lipomide, no, the acetyl group will be transferred into the CoA, this molecule right here, to form acetyl CoA. And what is left here is the lipomide. Now, after the transfer of acetyl into this enzyme right here, lipomide will become the lipomide reduced form. Then, with the help of the dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase, it will transform lipomide into its lipomide oxidized form, giving in the process we produces FADH2. And FADH2 will be formed once more to produce NADH, no, mag-transfer siya o matanggal ang 2 hydrogen group niya dito, no, malipat sa NADH and mag-produce din siya ng hydrogen ion in the process, which is later on be used in the ETC. Very short lang siya na process. So, you might be asking, what happens into the acetyl-CoA? Now, this enzyme or this product, not enzymes, this product will now proceed into the citric acid cycle, no, to be wherein it will be undergoing the series of the citric acid cycle. So, itong NADH, anong mangyari dito? NADH will go directly to the ETC, or sometimes it will not go to ETC. It depends on where it goes. No? We do not know. No, pero possibly, papunta siya sa ETC. Ano ba yung ETC? The electron transport chain. So, next topic nito is about ito ang overall process. So, we will now later on sa citric acid cycle. So, we are now already here, glycolysis. No, tapos na natin siya wherein we convert pyruvate, glycolysis into 2 pyruvate molecule. And pyruvate will undergo pyruvate dehydrogenase, wherein pyruvate, we transform it into acetyl-CoA. So, yun yung process kanina sa pyruvate dehydrogenase. Then acetyl-CoA will now undergo into the Krebs cycle or the acetyl-CoA oxidation or the stage 2. It will undergo the series of citric acid cycle and the products in the citric acid cycle, which is the NADH and FADH2, carbon dioxide, will be used in the stage 3 of the electron transport chain and the oxidative phosphorylation. This is now we produce, this is where the ETC happens, or the majority of the ATP being produced is in this phase right here, the oxidative phosphorylation. Yung NADH na produce dito sa pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, magpunta siya dito directly. And lahat ng ATP na produce natin in this series, the series will be used by the body. So take note that ATPs are not stored, okay, but rather they are used by the body. So I hope that is very clear to you, and once again, please like and share and subscribe, and don't forget, wishing you good luck in your studies. Once again, this is your biochemistry tutor signing off.